there's no substitute for a solid crew. You look out for each other. You share the load. And when the time comes, you ride together. So when the trail gets slick, the mud's so thick you can feel it taking hold of you. Each pit deeper and rougher than the last. Some might turn around, but your crew, you dive right in, because you've got each other's backs, and so does the all-new Defender XMR. When you're up to your eyes in mud, the Defender XMR's snorkeled CVT engine intakes will get your crew in, out, and back again all day long. Select between a 4x4 fully locked front differential or the two smart lock modes dedicated to delivering optimal traction in mud mode for deep mud riding, or the trail mode while traveling to and back from your favorite mud spot. Whichever mode you select, you can change it while riding without the need to stop, slow down, or straighten the wheels. And the arched A-arm suspension will keep you and your buds cruising comfortably while crushing the pits and ripping through the sludge. When your crew gets together, we know things can get wild. That's why we threw on a front bumper, rock sliders, mud guards, and a relocated winch with synthetic rope that will guarantee to get you moving when you get into trouble. So yeah, don't hold back. And did we mention the Defender XMR is fitted with 30-inch ITP crypted tires and 14-inch cast aluminum wheels, so you can tear up any terrain and come out on top. So when that trail gets wet and the mud gets thick, gather the crew, pop open the cooler, and bring it on, because this Defender XMR is ready to dive in. Can-Am, the ride says it all.